The concrete truck, a vital machine in construction, is fundamentally a mixer on wheels.
Function is to continuously mix cement, sand, gravel, and water, preventing the concrete from hardening.
It's precisely engineered, integrating a powerful drive with a specialized rotating barrel.
Constant rotation is a hydraulic system directly linked to the truck's engine for reliable operation.
The motor provides variable speed and direction control, essential for both mixing and discharging.
Are helical blades, the ingenious design that keeps the concrete fluid and workable. With loading, cement, aggregates, water, and additives are poured directly into the large opening. The water tank supplies the necessary water for initial mixing and, crucially, for post-job cleaning. The drum spins at a slow RPM, around 2 to 12, to ensure constant agitation.
This continuous folding action prevents premature setting and maintains the concrete's homogeneous state.
The angle of these blades are precisely calculated to lift and fold the material with minimal separation. The entire process using dedicated controls, often accessible both in the cab and externally.
Allow for precise management of drum speed, slow for mixing, and faster when the time comes for pouring.
Stops. The heavy aggregates can separate from the cement paste, a critical failure known as segregation.
Constant movement ensures the mix remains perfectly homogeneous, maintaining the concrete's workability.
Robust chassis design are necessary to handle the enormous, dynamic load of the wet concrete. It is multifunctional, providing the necessary liquid for the chemical reaction of hydration.
Action of cement and water, called hydration, generates heat, which is why constant mixing is vital.
On arrival at the construction site, the drum's rotation is carefully reversed to prepare for discharge.
Forces the fluid concrete to travel up the helical blades and toward the drum's opening.
This controlled action guides the material out and onto the adjustable chutes at the rear of the truck.
Highly adjustable, allowing the operator to precisely direct the flow of concrete to the desired placement location.
Drum's reverse spin determines the rate of discharge, faster for a high-volume pour. Relies on a well-aligned system between the rotating barrel and the stationary discharge mechanism. Texture and workability of the pourable mix remain consistent right up until the point of placement.
Pour is complete. The most critical step is cleaning the drum to ensure longevity and hygiene.
When produced from the tank, washing away any residual concrete that could harden and damage the components.
Amount of hardened concrete can impede future loads and reduce the efficiency of the mixing action.
Operational cycle, loading, mixing, discharging, and cleaning is a testament to mechanical precision. Are the hydraulic system, the large mixing drum, and the intuitive speed controls.
The hydraulic drive system delivers high torque at low speeds, perfectly suited for heavy-duty mixing.
Continuous folding ensures that all aggregates are coated in cement paste, preventing separation.
Carefully select the right RPM, slow for agitation, and faster for complete discharge. Tilted, conical shape is crucial. It helps gravity and the blades work together for efficient movement. A precision-welded structure designed to withstand immense internal pressure and abrasive materials.
Is maintained inside the drum to allow for the cascading and folding of the material during transit.
Roller bearings handle the dynamic forces and constant rotation of the massive, heavy drum.
The structural integrity of the mounting frame is constantly tested by the shifting weight of the liquid concrete. The blades act as a screw conveyor, positively forcing the entire batch out of the drum. The chute system is the final stage of delivery, guiding the flow without spillage. Chutes can be extended and swung in wide arcs to place the concrete exactly where the crew needs it.
Cleaning process is non-negotiable, protecting the investment in the equipment.
Residue reduces the effective volume, and diminishes the effective efficiency of the mixing blades.
A full water tank is vital for both mix adjustment and ensuring the mandated cleaning procedure can be executed. The concrete truck's heavy suspension is managing a constantly shifting, fluid center of gravity.
Part of the rotation, the hydraulic system, is a self-contained unit designed for continuous heavy-duty use.
Necessary to start and maintain the rotation of several tons of abrasive, viscous material. This motion delays the chemical setting process, ensuring the concrete remains workable. It is engineered to handle the maximum weight capacity, typically measured in cubic yards of concrete.
Rotation power is supplied by a power takeoff system, drawing energy directly from the truck's powerful engine.
The spiral blades is the key to both lifting and folding the mix when spinning one way and pushing it out the other. Are loaded through the wide opening, and gravity assists them in settling at the lower, wider end of the barrel. There's a clean transfer of aggregates and cement from the batch plant into the rotating barrel. Action keeps the heavy aggregates suspended within the lighter cement paste, preventing segregation.
Pump increases water pressure, allowing for effective spray down and efficient introduction into the mix.
Abrasion of the mix against the blades requires the use of high-strength, wear-resistant steel. Angle of the drum is not arbitrary. It maximizes the gravitational effect on the fluid mix.
Paramount. The controls feature an immediate emergency stop function for both rotation and discharge.
Constructed in sections, optimized for structural integrity and ease of maintenance.
It's a pressurized flow, efficiently forcing the concrete from the drum in a steady stream. The discharge gate at the mouth of the drum is controlled by a lever, allowing the operator to fine-tune the flow rate.
The drum may briefly spin at a higher speed to use centrifugal force to aid in dislodging residue. It's the single best way to prevent concrete buildup, which reduces payload capacity over time.
Interior finish is kept clean to aid in heat dissipation and operational inspection.
Is a heavy-duty component, supporting the vast weight and rotational stresses of the drum. The of the mixing process depends entirely on the steady, uninterrupted power delivered by the truck's engine. Constant rotation is to maintain the concrete's workability, or its ability to be poured and shaped.
Hose can be used to wash down the exterior of the truck and the job site equipment.
Areas of the blade are reinforced with specialized wear plates to extend their lifespan against abrasion. Correction of segregation is a key advantage, ensuring the quality of the final poured structure.
The reduction system translates the fast engine rotation into the slow, powerful spin needed for the drum. Temperature of the mix is important, as excessive heat can accelerate the setting process.
Mounted on a secure, heavy frame designed for easy removal for major service and repairs. Controlled discharge prevents pulsing, which could compromise the placement of the concrete. After the pour, the chutes are securely locked in place for safe road travel and vibration dampening. For internal maintenance, the drum is fitted with a sealed access hatch. Is why the internal components must be made of extremely resilient, high-quality steel alloys. During transport conceives energy, while still providing sufficient agitation to maintain the mix.
Summary: the concrete truck is a mobile, self-contained mixing plant, essential for modern construction.
Engineering, it ensures a constant supply of quality, workable concrete to every project site.